bell pepper and sausages, guys. Mwah. Hello again, Roma restaurant, Chef Paolo, new recipe, new menu of Roma, super easy and super delicious. You can make it at home. Just follow my step as usual, guys. So you know that I'm from Roma. And this is a typical Roman recipe of pasta. In this case, I'm gonna use this homemade pasta. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Orechiette, small tears, guys. It's a typical pasta actually from the south of Italy, from Puglia. But I like the mix of this pasta with this Roman sauce recipe. Roasted pepper and sausages. Check my video how to make the roasted pepper, guys. So first thing first, with this roasted bell pepper, we're gonna make a cream. You blend. If you don't have this one, you can blend with just normal blender, guys. So now let's go to the fire, cook our sausages and cook our pasta. Let's go. We go medium low fire and we cook first our sausages. I like to make some big chunk of sausages. I don't like to make it too small. Okay. This is for one person. One sausages is 100 grams. Then we're gonna use 120 grams of orechiette pasta, of course homemade here in Roma, and our roasted bell pepper sauce, guys. We add a little bit of olive oil. We need to roast it really nice, guys, in the way we're gonna get that golden brown color. Now, guys, it's time to add our thyme to give a special kick to our sausages. You see, guys? Already taking this really nice brown roasted color I like. Time to add just some drops of white wine. Of course, make it at home first, then let's see, make a challenge. Who's the best pasta, Chef Paolo or you guys? I'm sure you can make a really good job. You see, guys, now it's well roasted. It's time to first put our pasta in the boiling water. Now, last thing, we go really low with the fire and we add our roasted bell pepper cream. Look, such an amazing color and you cannot imagine the taste, guys. We can take out our thyme leaves. You need to understand something. One of the best wedding in the Roman cuisine is pepperoni e salsicci. Bell pepper and sausages, guys. Mwah. It's amazing. Okay, guys, let's see if our orecchiette are ready. Let's go. And here we are, guys. Look how gorgeous is this pasta, guys. Time to plate. Some fresh pecorino cheese. The best moment. We need to try it. Mamma mia! It's a bomb of taste and flavors in your mouth, guys. I'm sure this will be one of the best sellers in Roma. I'm telling you. Make this recipe at home, try it, you're gonna love it. Of course, always here, always with you and for you. So, next time, next recipe. See you then. Bye bye!